To complete the project floors, we will turn on the floor plan tag. We will note that garage floor, whether in first or second door, need to push forward a little bit. So we will open the floor group, but this face is continuous. To split it, draw a rectangle from this point to this point. So there are two parts, and push it forward, align it with the whole face, and here. Split this part also, draw a rectangle here, split and push it back to wall back side. Then make the outdoor floors. From here, draw a rectangle on the ramp, another one here for the front yard. End in this point, cause this is a step. Make this rectangle a group. Select the geometry and make it group. Then open it and push the face down 120 centimeters. Also, this floor, make it group and push down 120 centimeters. In the design, this edge height is 90 centimeters from the sidewalk. Mean garage floor level variance, the sidewalk 90 centimeters. So move this line down 90 centimeters, press up arrow. Here is the ramp. Also this group, we will do the same. Move this line on the blue axis, right 90. To make this retaining wall, we will copy this side, open it and copy this face, Ctrl C, close the group and press V to paste in place, push it 15 centimeters, snap with wall, make it group, triple clicks and press G and up this wall from here. Select this line and move it up 10 centimeters. Then from that side, move this line up 10 centimeters. Modeling garage floor as in the plan. Open floor group. Then draw here the floor details. Then push down this face 4 centimeters. After that, we will subtract the pool floor from this area. To draw the boundary, draw on the floor with line tool the pool boundary. Start here to this end point. To this end point, then continue. Then from here, draw a line to the end of this edge. Also here. Then open the floor plan to copy this arc to close the shape of the pool. Open the floor plan group. Right click on the selection. edit group. This wall is a group also. Open it and copy this arc. We need this arc. Ctrl C, V. It isn't pasted in the pool group. Cut it, Ctrl X. Then exit all groups. Open the pool group. Press V. Thus the boundary is closed. Select this face and copy it. Then with push-pull tool, subtract this volume. Then paste in place. Make it group. After we made the pool floor like this, move it down level of the pool floor, which will be 111 centimeters. Press up arrow to lock the blue axis. Then write 111. Then push down the patio floor bottom to the floor of pool. Open this group and select this face and push down this bottom. Then copy the pool floor and move the copy up 105 centimeters. So this is the water surface of the pool. We will hide the water surface. In the group of the pool floor, we will model the pool stairs. Open it and draw a line. Push up this part. Then push down 15 centimeters. Then copy this line with move and press Ctrl. And snap with first step in 2D plan. Sure that is aligned with 2D. Then array 5 copies. Push down each step 15 centimeters. This one push down 15 centimeters. The second push down 30 centimeters. The third push down 45. The fourth push down 60. Last one push down 75. Thus the pool floor is done. Exit the group and unhide the water surface. This part here is for a gravel line and a granite with 4 cm thickness as a frame for the gravel. Draw a rectangle on this floor. Copy this line on 4 cm distance. Push down this face 3 centimeters. Keep this line because of materials are different. That is the material and this is other one. Thus we made interior and exterior floors.